I think this is the best job. It really is. Noelle is in 8th grade. When I started, she was this tiny little thing that I could just pick up and move anywhere, and now she's a teenager. The goal in home health is that we try and give them as normal a life as they can. The patients are who we see day to day, not necessarily the other people that we work with.
As a private duty nurse, you're very independent in the home, so you do all of it. She provides feedings and medications, any kind of treatments, therapies.
My back for me?
Cindy comes in and there's just a calming presence. They know that their child's in good hands and that they can go about their day and not worry about their child.
Let's get your shoes off.
For our family, it's just nice to have somebody that's gonna advocate for your daughter no matter where she's at and make sure she's always happy and healthy.
Come help pick a color for her.
Their relationship has changed.
Ooh, sparkles.
Cindy is now not only a caregiver, but a friend.
So we're gonna do purple. That is what nursing is about, is being able to care for other people. And I think that that's just part of who a nurse is that you care for people, whether it's your patients at work or people in your own personal life. All right, nurses are always caring and always concerned about others, and that is just a quality that we all have. We had a coworker of ours, Melissa. She was diagnosed with ALS several months after having a new baby, and she was one of Noelle's nurses also. And there were several of us nurses that would go over and do stretches and help take care of her, and she was able to be in her home and be cared for in her home before she passed away just this fall.
On Cindy's days off, she would go and care for Melissa and Miles and provide meals, house cleaning, anything that the family needed. I think it meant the world to them.
It was a beautiful experience to be able to help her and to help her family and give back to them after she had given so much to being a nurse and caring for others.
Cindy is a very giving person of her time and her talents and her heart. When there's a need, she is one of the first to jump in and fill that need. She's not afraid to speak up for what she feels is right and safe. She will talk with the parents. She's an advocate for everyone. She will always look out for everyone's best interests.
Are you gonna shake, rattle, and roll? I really love kids. Yes. I love taking care of children, and this is the place to do it. We're the best place for kids.
Children's Hospital and Medical Center is one of our community's most treasured assets. My father was fortunate to work with many of the outstanding and caring employees during his 40-plus year career. The Spirit of Caring Nursing Award fulfills Dad's wish to honor and pay tribute to the wonderful pediatric nurses at Children's. The Heart of a Hero Award honors a non-nursing staff member who demonstrates an extraordinary work ethic and caring heart. My father knew that there are many other Children's staff members who make vital contributions to Children's mission and amazing patient and family care. This is a simple way to say thank you for the dedication of the nurses and all of the employees at Children's. The Dr. Robert E. Murphy Awards have come to represent the best of the best.
Good morning. How's Mr. Jackson today? The babies here at Children's NICU are the most critical in the region. Looking good. I'm very lucky to have the role that I have because as I go into every room and I get to meet the families, I do safety checks in their rooms. I think the families feel like that is an important part in their stay here. They know that somebody's looking out for their baby. This all goes into her umbilicus and it goes right to her heart. I think it was summer of 2015, we had such a high rate of central line infections here in the hospital. Hi, sweet girl. And at the time they were going to implement an auditor. You look so good. And they asked me to be that auditor. And as I was doing it, I noticed that we had a lot of growth that we needed to work on. And so we kind of broke down the steps of these bundles and came up with new processes and procedures. And we've been working on it ever since. It's something that's always evolving, always growing. That is a big stretch. It's okay. It's okay. We went over a year CLABSI-free, and that was just a milestone that we never thought we would reach, but we never let that goal go. Let's get those out of your toes.
I am 100% certain that we could not have gone 428 days without a central line infection without Annie. You know, she made a difference in the way that we practice. She changed our culture with the way that we approach central line care, and I know she impacted the lives of babies for the better.
Syringe is date timed and initialed.
The Heart of the Hero Award suits Annie perfectly because of her work ethic. It's a really hard role to come to work and do every day, and she does it with positivity, which is huge.
And then safety checks, are they going okay?
Everybody likes her for different reasons. The managers like her because of her work ethic. The nurses like her because she's extremely knowledgeable. She'll drop anything to help you. She's extremely selfless. And the parents love her because, one, she's kind, and they know that she's there for the safety of their babies. Every unit needs an Annie. She wants this unit to be safe, and she does a really good job at it.
I haven't seen you this awake in a while.
When I see her interacting with patients, it's obvious that it's more than just a job. She's here because she loves what she does.
She knows she's cute. I love being here and seeing the babies start out at such a critical state and then get better. I feel like I made a difference every day. And not just because of me and what I've done, but our team as a whole. Our babies require a whole team of all disciplines, and I think that they make such a difference in the lives of these little babies that are here, and I feel like I'm part of that, but just a piece of the puzzle.